Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a special recording because today is my birthday. So I thought I would recreate my birthday look. It was a really easy look and I feel like it's so doable and it didn't take long at all. So I thought I'd record it and show you guys. Okay, so there's a new primer that I've just been trying. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I don't know if it's focusing. And I find that it's pretty good. It really like blurs out all your pores. It sets a good, nice, smooth finish. It doesn't give the same exact silicone feel like the Benefit primer does, but it still smooths everything out. But I feel like the Benefit one gives more of a silicone feel. So I really like that about the Benefit one, but I'm gonna try this one out a little bit more and see how I like it. I put my foundation on. It's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And the best thing about it is that because I generally have dry skin, I have the box here, I'm just reading the box. So it's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is supposed to help you give a smoother, more youthful appearance. Alpine rose is to help to brighten and boost the skin radiance. And it says coconut water is just to help to hydrate and replenish your skin's moisture. So that's really awesome. So that's why I really went for this foundation. And it's an oil-free foundation, so it's a water-based. And I find that it's really, really hydrating for my skin. And I'm also using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's the multi-use sculpting concealers. It covers everything right away and it blends out really smoothly. I guess Too Faced is doing really well. I mean, even the packaging for these bottles, like how cute are these? They're so cute. And I've tried a lot of concealers. Actually, I was thinking of doing a video of just comparing all the concealers I have. I think I have more concealers than any makeup product. I have tried and tested all the concealers that have been out there. So if anyone needs some advice on concealers, let me know in the comments below and I can probably suggest a concealer for any type of skin problem, skin issue, eye dark circles, eye bag, you name it. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll start off doing my eyebrows. I've been using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's in the color dark brown. So it's really easy because I just kind of fill in whatever sparse areas that I see, like any like bald spots that I see. So I'm just gonna pop some translucent powder just underneath my eye. Zoomed you guys in a bit. The dress that I'm gonna be wearing, it's a really bright orange color, so I'm gonna go for more brown orange tones. I'm gonna start with going into the crease. I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. They have some nice like oranges and like brown tones. There's a peach. I'm mixing these two shades and going into the crease. So it's just all over. You don't need to be neat with it. It can just be really messy. I'm just gonna go into the corners of my eye with a darker shade. I'm not gonna put anything on the first half of my eyelid, like the part that's closer to the nose. I'm gonna use this orange shade at the top and also mixed in with a little bit of this brown, like terracotta color. Go back in with that blending brush just so we can diffuse out any of the harsh lines. I'm not putting anything on the brush. Just diffuse out and blend it through. And because I was going for a brunch, I don't want to go in with too dark of a color because I want it to still be light, you know, for kind of a daytime event. And then what I've really been liking are these like buxom single shadows. It's in the color Mink Magnet. It looks like this from the corner of my eyelid and just with my fingers stamp it on there. It's a really pretty like champagne-y. And then I'm gonna go in on top of that with another shimmer shade which I have from the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. They have two shimmers in here that are more orange toned and put that more towards the middle. So where the dark shadow and the first shimmer meet, I'm gonna put it right there. And then I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and blend out the edges. Just make sure everything is blended nicely. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and do the same thing on my lower lash line. And first I'm gonna go in with the two shades that I started off in the crease, these two here. And I'm gonna just kind of add a little color to the lower lash line. want to intensify that orange color a bit more. I'm just gonna stamp a little bit more at the outer V here and a little bit into the crease. Next, I want to put my eyeliner. So I'm gonna do the eyeliner off camera and then I'll be right back. I tried to draw a eyeliner as thin as possible because I really want the color to show my eye shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. There's this beauty store in Singapore called SaSa. So it's kind of like, I guess it's kind of like a Sephora, but a more like smaller scale one. And they carry like, not all the brands, but they do have some brands. And I found these lashes that are really, really natural looking and they look like this. And I don't know the name of them exactly, or I think they were just a number, but I'll find out the name and the number and then I'll put it in the comments section down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on and then I'll be right back. So these lashes, they're super, super natural. I find them so light. The band is really thin, so it's really easy. Like it feels really light. Doesn't even feel like you have lashes on. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a bit, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. And I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil contour. I'm not gonna do any harsh contour. I'm just gonna lightly along my cheekbone like this. A little bit around the temples. I don't go all the way over, bring it over to the top of my forehead because my forehead is not that big. I think I have an average size forehead. I don't think it's small, but it's not big. What I really love is I love how the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, it just gives a perfect hue. Like, I think it works for a lot of skin tones. It works really well for olive or tan skin like mine. After the bronzer, I'm gonna go in with some blush. This Tarte blush, honestly, like, I really need a new one because I only have like a tiny bit left in this pan, but it's a really nice peach blush. It's called Parte in the Amazonian clay. I love the Tarte brushes, Tarte blushes. And we can wipe off the excess setting powder that's under the eyes. I'm gonna wipe it off like this. Honestly, I didn't really get any fallout, and that's what I find with the Huda Beauty shadows is that there's like virtually no fallout. And I'm just going to brush down here and down here as well, just to clean up that area. My favorite mascara lately has been the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I feel like it separates the lashes really nicely and it's really fine and so it doesn't like pack on your lashes. If I'm going for a daytime event, I won't exactly maybe put on like a full blinging highlight. I'll put on, there's this Benefit Dandelion Twinkle powder, which is like, I feel the perfect shimmer just for like a natural glow in your cheek. Right over the high point of my cheekbone on one side. And like this. And this, honestly, it makes your skin glow. This is like the secret to glowing skin. I feel like your skin is just gonna glow if you put this on. And it's gonna look like a natural glow on your cheek. But I am gonna put highlight in the inner corner of my eye. Sorry if I sound a bit congested. I'm just recovering from a fever. I didn't even tell you guys. This whole time I've been talking and I probably might have been sniffling as well. I'm almost 100%. I'm like 98% better. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. Look at these. These are so awesome. I love these highlights. And today I'm gonna go in with the Butterscotch because it's more of like more brownish goldy tone, and I think it's gonna go really well with the eye makeup for today. So I'll show you guys a close-up of how that looks. And I'm gonna lightly just contour my nose. I'm using this contour color by Tarte called Chisel. And I'm gonna blend out some of that contour just with that powder brush. I always do my lips last. For my lip, I'm gonna do a bold lip because my dress is like this really beautiful orange color. My favorite coral lip is by Bite Beauty, and this is actually not available in Singapore. It's a Canadian brand, and I've got it from Canada. The amazing thing about this brand is that all of their ingredients that they use are all natural. I think this brand is a really amazing brand. In the color Cheblis, I think Cheblis is how you say it, or Cheblis, and it's the high pigment lip pencil. So it looks like this. And it's the softest. The feel of this, it's like a soft lip crayon kind of feel. So it just goes on. It's highly pigmented, and then it stays on for a really, really long time. I hardly find myself touching up with this. So we're almost finished, and I'm just gonna finish off with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. Okay, so this is my dress. It's this really bright orange tangerine color. I love this color. I don't know why I didn't have more clothes in this color. And I got these really cute earrings from a recent trip that I went on to Bangkok. I think are gonna go perfectly with it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section. And I'm going to be listing all the products that I've used today in the description box down below. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys the full view of the dress, but I'm gonna put in some pictures from my birthday brunch just to show you the whole look.